In this episode of Mighty Car Mods, we've brought the BRZ down to go to battle against a very special and iconic Mighty Car Mods car.
Welcome to another episode of Mighty Car Mods. The BRZ, it's one of the most popular modern tuning cars that you can buy. Rear-wheel drive, front engine, 2-litre, flat boxer thing, some weird combination of Toyota and Subaru. And these are really, really versatile and fun to drive.
The Subaru BRZ is a budget sports car co-developed with Toyota, powered by a 2-litre naturally aspirated engine. While it doesn't have the power or street cred of some older Japanese cars that cost less, its simplicity and driving purity has made it hugely popular with a new generation of car enthusiasts.
But what happens when we put it up against a front-wheel drive, supercharged and turbocharged Nissan Nugget 1-litre engine, 4-cylinder, the Nissan March Super Turbo?
As one of the quirkier vehicles to come out of Japan, this motorsport-inspired homologation car didn't make a whole lot of sense. But Nissan put the soundtrack from Top Gun on the TV ad, so naturally it was a huge hit. Turbocharged cars of the day often had lag. That was fixed by adding a supercharger to get more boost into this tiny engine, resulting in surprisingly good performance, considering its very basic K10 Micra underpinnings. It's weird, but we love it. But weirdness alone may not be enough to slay this multi-branded Toyo Baru beast that Moogs brought along.
But today we're going to go through a series of challenges. I will not crush his car. I mean, I may metaphorically crush it. No one's going to lose their car. We're just doing it for the fun of it. And it's going to be just a couple of little challenges. Super Turbo versus the BRZ. We'll do some go-to-woes, a drag race, maybe a skid, and see
today
what happens.
We will find out what's better, front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. The ultimate...
Really?
No, probably not.
Really?
But they just happen to be opposite-end powered cars, and we should just battle them.
But that said, the Super Turbo's got a 1-litre engine. It's running a bar of boost. Isn't 1 bar 1 atmospheric pressure, which means that you kind of get 1 litre plus a litre, even though that's not how it works?
Efficiencies,
kind of?
Yeah, sure. Let's just
so
say
it's
that
kind
today,
of 2-litre versus 2-litre. It's actually turbo versus naturally aspirated.
It's all these things.
It's Nissan versus Toyota
We
versus
should stop
Subaru.
trying to make up what it is and just go and do it because it's going to be sick.
All right, let's kick off the first challenge. Go to woe.
We are going to do a go-to-woe. I'm in the Nissan March Super Turbo, 1-litre turbocharged and supercharged.
And I'm in a Subaru BRZ, 2 litres of naturally aspirated slow fury.
Rear-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive, LSD, I don't know what that's got. But we're going to accelerate to 80 k's an hour, as much room as we've got. Slam on the brakes. Whoever finishes sooner wins.
All right. I'm ready, Martin.
You going to beep it out?
I reckon we just go 3, 2, 1, go. It actually doesn't matter who goes first, it's the distance. But for fun, are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! No way! No way! No way!
We're going again?
The Super Turbo's won, let's go again!
Double check it, confirm the kill. I think my lack of weight might be actually helping me quite a lot in this instance.
I'm in a little bit of shock, people. That is incredible. I'm shocked. That said, the Super Turbo can't do this.
I can't do that.
Wow! A win for the Super Turbo.
You've got to get the gear shifts just right, then you've got to get on the picks.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn my traction control off this time.
Okay.
Just because I reckon maybe that was bogging me down a little bit.
It's quite possible. This had a bit of wheel spin, but it got moving.
All right, traction control's now off. I'm so impressed with the Super Turbo.
Me too.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
When you're ready, man.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! He's got it again.
Only by like 2 meters, but it's winning.
The wrong-wheel drive JDM Nugget has taken out this challenge due to its lack of weight and extreme lack of safety equipment. Next up, drag race.
So this is BRZ versus Super Turbo, drag race. We don't know the distance. It's the first person to get to a pole that we've designated down there.
Old school drag race.
Awesome. Street rules.
Yep.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go. It's neck and neck right now. And now I'm pulling away.
Ah, you got me.
Hazard lights go on.
I can't keep up with the modern tech.
All right, we going again?
Yeah. Doing the launch though, they are very, very similar.
It seems unfair to win a boxing match when the person you're boxing with has one arm tied behind their back and is 30 years older than you, let's be honest. All right, Martin, this is it.
This is it.
Are you ready?
No.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, a lot of wheel spin from me that time.
Ah, too much wheel spin. Oh, he caught me. It's not by much though. It's like 1 car length.
It's faster. Who would have thought that a car that much nearer is faster?
By a car length, man.
Not much.
By a car, not much, no. And I really spun. I blew the tyres off that time.
I mean, this is kind of full credit to Super Turbo and kind of a discredit to this, if we're going to be honest.
That's not as fast as you would hope it would be, considering how new it is. But it can do other things that this can't. Like, he's probably going to show you on the way back.
The last of our little Super Turbo vs BRZ challenges. We're going to do a little burnout challenge just for fun.
I'm using my handbrake. I'm cheating.
All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Driving in its purest form, you're connected to the road. Drifting, on the other hand, is as graceful as a toad. When the March Super Turbo drops a fat skid, even a grown man will giggle like a kid. There's one thing that's certain in such uncertain times. It's that JDM Nuggets will never compromise on looks or dynamics or driving prowess. But the BRZ has no turbo. This causes us stress. But never fear, driving fan, do not lose your cools, because Mighty Car Mods may be a pair of tools, but what we lack in mechanical ability, we make up for ×3 with enthusiastic excitability and a bucket of KFC.
Hey man, can it be a bucket of tofu instead?
I guess so, sure.
And can you get out of my room now so I can finish this video?
You left, you went away.
I haven't even done my skid yet. That was pretty good. Get in the middle.
What? Where?
Just drive into the middle.
I think I blew my exhaust off.
Do you trust me?
No.
I don't.
I'll just shut my eyes.
So there it is, that is the BRZ versus the Super Turbo. Now in terms of the actual challenges, of course the BRZ won. See mate, thank you. The BRZ won the car challenges in terms of performance, but what actually won car of the day? In my opinion, Super Turbo all day, every day.
Now, it's the battles that nobody asked for, except they actually ended up being incredibly fun, and 2 cars that you would not assume would be so closely matched.
And the skid that you did, you did on that was amazing.
I thought I'd be outskidded for days, but I think I surprised myself and possibly some of you as to how well that little front-wheel drive grocery getting nugget smoked them up.
The thing is, BRZs do good skids. A lot of people say they're underpowered, they're under this, they're under that. It does an excellent skid. They're really fun for drifting. Who wins? Who loses their cars? Everyone's a winner. No one loses their car.
Except we can only drive one of them.
We can only drive one of them home
so I guess
now, but there it is. But thank you very much for watching. Of course, you can support the show by getting some merch from mightycarmods.com, like t-shirts and other cool things. If your car stinks, get yourself some air fresheners. There it is. See you later, everybody.
More skids, more skids, more
That was awesome,
skids.
man.
That was so fun.